Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Rainbow Rocky Road. So we're going to start off in a saucepan of simmering water and we're going to add our bowl of white chocolate, and you're just going to stir that over a medium heat until all that chocolate has completely melted. If you want all the details of ingredients and quantities, they'll be in the description box below. So now for our fillings, we're going to take some pink and white mini marshmallows, some custard creams, and I'm also going to put some Oreo cookies in here for a nice bit of contrast to all the colour that's going on. Next in goes some Skittles, you could also use M&Ms if you wanted here, and a generous handful of confetti sprinkles. Then you're just going to give that all a toss together with your hands. Now at this point I decided I wanted more sprinkles, so I went in with a few more. Then we're going to pour that into our white chocolate and you're just going to give that a stir through, and it's as simple as that. So we're going to press that into a 12 by 8 inch tin, and you're just going to use the back of your spatula to just push it out. Now if your chocolate has solidified a bit here, you might find that you can use a slightly damp hand and that might work as well. Now for the topping, we're going to place the blue, yellow and red candy melts, and we're going to melt those in the microwave. Now you could use whatever colour you want really, and then I'm just going to drizzle those over the top and then finish it off with a final handful of sprinkles. Chill that in the fridge for about an hour till it starts to firm up a bit, and then we're going to use a ruler and a very sharp long knife to make impressions. We're not cutting all the way through. Once you've made all your impressions, then you can cut through. Now I did these about 1.5 inches in length and width because they're so sweet, so you only need like a really small amount. And that is literally it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.